All right, then we talked about the ing sound. So if you're in the South, they're going to say sittin'. He was sitting over there, and I can't do the rest of the Southern accent, but anyway, sittin'. But if you're going to be in a professional environment, you would want to use a standard American accent. And so that ing on the end is going to be ing, ing. And for ing, you're any kind of ong, ing, that ng ending, it's going to be a nasal sound. So your tongue's just going to go back. The back of it's going to go back tight. And then you're going to feel it resonate in your nose. Ing. Like if you say the N sound, that's a nasal sound. Mm, M, mm. If you do S, it's not going to vibrate. S. Oh, no vibration. But also ing, ong, ang, those are going to vibrate. Ing, ong, ang. You should feel it tickle. I mean, not tickle. You should feel it vibrating in your nose. And make sure that vowel sound before the ng for ing, it's a long E sound. It's E, like feet or wheat or seat, like take your seat. All right, so ing. So you do an E, and then your tongue, the back of your tongue goes back to make that nasal sound. Ing, ing.